Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create brand guidelines using Canva step by step in 2026 so your brand looks consistent, professional, and recognizable everywhere. Brand guidelines are basically a rule book for your brand. They help you, your team, or your clients use the same colors, fonts, logos, and styles every time without confusion. Start by opening Canva and creating a new document. A presentation or a for document works best for brand guidelines. Choose a clean, minimal template so the focus stays on the brand elements, not decoration. Begin with a simple brand overview. Add a short description explaining the brand's mission, tone, and personality. This helps anyone understand how the brand should feel, not just how it looks. Next, focus on the logo section. Place the main logo, alternative versions, and clear space rules. You can also show examples of correct and incorrect logo usage to avoid mistakes. Now move to brand colors. Add color swatches with hex codes, RGB values, or CMYK if needed. Explain where each color should be used, like primary, secondary, or accent colors. Typography comes next. Show the main fonts for headings, subheadings, and body text. Include font sizes, spacing, and usage examples so everything stays consistent across designs. You can also include visual elements like icons, imagery style, and graphic patterns. This section helps maintain a unified look across social media, websites, and marketing materials. If you're working with clients or teams, brand kits in Canva are a big help. Set up approved fonts, colors, and logos so everyone follows the guidelines automatically. Before finishing, review the entire document. Check alignment, spacing, and clarity. Export the brand guidelines as a high-quality PDF ready to share or present. And that's how to create brand guidelines using Canva step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you or your clients, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva and branding tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.